Now, it is time for special recognitions. There have been many of our members who over the years have contributed significantly to the growth of the Indian Technical Textile Association and the Indian technical textile industry. And today, I would like to honor two of them at this program. Firstly, I would like to honor the man who I would say really stabilized the Indian Technical Textile Association when it was shaky, gave it a sense of purpose, gave it the right kind of people to sit on the board, who was my mentor for 5 years as my chairman, and then who continues to be a mentor for Rita. Mr. Pramod Khosla, chairman of Khosla Profil. We would like to give you, sir, the Outstanding Service Award, and I would request our special guest, madam, to hand over the award to our past chairman, Mr. Khosla. May I request Mr. Amit Agarwal to give a bouquet to Mr. Khosla? Madam, may I request you to just... Sir, and I would like to ask you to say a few words if you'd like.
Friends, it's really heartening today to hear Dr. Sundaraman. When Rita came to me, it was literally in a, I would say many were speculating whether it will survive or it will not survive, and the majority was it will not survive. So with all that odds, we started, and for 5 years, it was a tough task, but we were not only survived, we thrived. And I'm so happy today that these 3 years, despite the COVID being there, was very ably, I gave the baton to Dr. Sundaraman and he did a splendid job. So I would say he deserves a round of applause. A wonderful 3 years. And of course, all the, what happens, एक government पे कुछ decisions होते हैं, पुल बनाएंगे, पर inauguration दूसरे में होता है. तो HSN का बहुत काम हुआ, मगर the credit went to Dr. Raman. So anyway, thanks so much for being there, getting it through. And of course, now with this PLI and ROCL and so many other things happening, the avenues are really increasing and technical textile is getting the place in the sun that we all were looking at. And I'm extremely happy for Amit as well, because Amit has had the longest stint of being under training, in Italy. So I would say 5 + 3 years with 1 year, premium. So 8 years of being the underdog and now finally getting the place in the sun. So congratulations, Amit, for taking over the baton from Dr. Sundaraman. And I can assure on behalf of everybody that we all are going to be there behind you to take it to much greater heights, because it is now that the real, I would say, excitement or the action starts, because now the COVID is over, so there is no excuse of that. So please, you have on your young shoulders a great responsibility of this very wonderful organization, which has a great future. Please take it forward as fast as possible. All the best, bro.
Thank you, sir.